Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you are doing today? Hope you guys are fine by God's grace. So today's video I want to use avocado. This one na avocado. When they grow up they call am pear. So I used to call am pear. I don't even know say na avocado be name. So now when I can't go city now I can say this is an avocado that they call am will not be pear. Okay. Story of my life. So now I have this avocado when it don't ripe, overripe the warrior. So if you get avocado like this when it don't too ripe, I beg don't throw away. You can use them for your hair. Okay, you can use them to make avocado oil or deep conditioner for your hair anyhow, but don't throw it away. Maybe you want shop am before the thing come overripe because this one don't spoil, me throw away and buy. Don't throw it away. Keep it and use it for your hair. Okay, you can blend it, you can mash it with your spoon just the way I am doing. So today I don't feel blend, I don't get strength for blending. So I want you to use my spoon to mash am because the thing don't overripe. Like as you can see, it don't even dey spoil, but I don't want to throw it. I don't want to throw it away. I want to use them for my hair. So I don't mash am with my spoon like this. As you can see, just mash it very well with your spoon, with your fork, with blender, anyone you want to do am. So today I decided to just mash am with my spoon like this. So the next thing I to carry and put for my pot. Any pot when you get na fry pan you get, anyone just put them for inside like this. So I make sure say I could fill the plate so that everything go there inside my pot. So now I can add my sunflower oil, guys. Use light oil if you want to make this. Use light oil, not thick oil. Oil when light well. Okay, so now I have my rosemary. I want to add more of this rosemary inside because rosemary is still good for our hair growth and our scalp as well. So I just put small, not too much like that. So after that I come mix everything together. I love the scent of rosemary for this product. The scent really come outside. So I come mix them together so that the oil go mix with the avocado. So avocado itself still get oil. So at the end of the day una come see. So this one na the product when e dey for fire dey boil. As you can see, e dey boil and never dry. Like the oil, the water never dry comot finish. So I'll still show now when the water don stay dry. So like this now the water never dry, so water still dey body. So now the water don't dry. You can see the foam now be like the water don't already dry, as you can see. So at this stage you need to bring down your oil so that no will come burn. Okay, so now the water don't dry, now only oil you can't dey see. So I can carry and come down. The thing can cool down small, so allow it to cool down small so that it no go too hot. Okay, so and after I don cool small, I can bring out my small container with a cloth so that all the residue now will go inside the oil. So you need small cloth and small bowl where you will take carry the oil. Okay, so after that I can carry and come outside like this. I can tie am. I wan leave am. I no wan press. I no wan press this thing. I want you to leave and make the oil drop because I want go do other things. So I can't tie am. See how the oil green, like you see the green, see the greennesses. Oh God, this thing is greenish. So as this oil can't be like this now, we don't get our avocado oil. So the oil come too much. If I put this one for my hair, go too much because I want use and mix my hair grease. So I can't shift too much comot. I can't carry small comot, put am for that my small container. So this one now I want use for my hair. So this one are the hair grease one I made for my last video. So if you never watch am, go and check it out. So I can add for inside the bowl, come mix am like this because the hair grease still remain. I don't want to waste them. So I can mix am like this. I can carry my castor oil. I can add them small castor oil. So I can carry this my Blue Magic hair food hair grease. This product is so nice for our hair. It can help your hair with breakage. If your hair is breaking, like excess breaking, this product is going to help you because it have moisture product in it. It have wheat germ, coconut oil that they use to do that, and it can also boost your hair growth. Okay, it's so amazing and it smells so nice. So I can't add that one to it because we are doing moisture product today. We are doing product that can retain moisture for our hair, at the same time promote hair growth, at the same time prevent breaking and brittle hair. So this one are the green one, conditioner, hair grease. So this one are the green one. This one are the coconut oil one. Like I said before, we are doing a conditioning product today. The product can keep your hair moisturized for days, and that can also prevent your hair from breaking, or your hair is already breaking. That can also help you to make your hair to stop breaking. Okay, if you have a very dry natural hair or relaxed hair, this product is for you. Just go and make it for your hair. So now this one I do, I want keep, so it's for keep, okay, for further use. So here I come. Now I wash my hair a day before I make this video. I wash my put my hair for this this twist, this fat twist. So as you can see, I want to take down this braid so that I can make my hair properly made. So to my returning subscribers, you guys are welcome. Thank you so much for your love and support. Thank you for watching my new video. I really do appreciate. If you are my newcomer, thank you for clicking on this video to watch. I really do appreciate. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and join this humble family. Okay, here we use hair grease to grow our hair. We are trying to go back to the olden days. Okay, I'm going back to the days when the days were days. So yeah, subscribe, turn on your post notification, and don't forget to share this video to your friends and family. You can also comment or like this video. Okay, so if you just subscribe to my channel, thank you so much for subscribing. I really do appreciate you all. Remember to turn on your post notification so that you will not miss out any video of mine. So now after I don't take it down, now I can carry my water, can spray the water for my hair, because we need water now. Everybody need water. Aqua is good for body. So I can spray some more water for my hair. See how dark, shine, beautiful this hair look now. Oh my god, if you want your hair be like this, concentrate on your grease. Don't look back, don't look front, just concentrate on using grease on your hair. Okay, I've been using grease on my hair for the past years now, like 2 to 3 years now. I've been using hair grease on my hair. You can see the result, guys. The result is amazing. So now I want just start to make my hair by myself, for myself. So I can say me I do party, me and party will not dey play. I not sabi part hair. We are not playing, we are not friends. Can never be friends. So the thing cause dey tire me, I got the cold hair wey no wan cool. Just because I want part my hair. So as you come dey do, I can say abeg, me I go off camera, me I do the party. So I come part and finish. I been a party finished. I can't come back now. See my hair, guys. If you want your hair to grow like this, stick to this channel. Just stay there. Don't go anywhere. You receive your miracle. Collect it. Receive it. So now I can't see carry water again. Me I still spray for this back hair of mine. My hair is doing well. You don't need to tell me. I know myself. So see the hair now. Oh my god, I need to do screenshots for that part. Hey Jesus. Oh, hair grease do me well. So now I want part the hair. Me myself will do and small. I want to do like mini braid. I want to do mini braid. I don't know if I'll finish it today, but let me try. Are you crying? You don't cry when I'm making video, okay? Don't do that to me. So after I done pattern, I can still put water. Now here is the product, guys. This one is the product one I want to use. This product, so I'll still miss and go give one of my friends. She they complain that her hair is breaking. If she touch her hair ground full. Now I say, where are they? No worry. I am the misser and the finisher of hair breaking. If I mix product for you, your hair will never break again. So now she even make this avocado. So I want to use to mix product for her, so her hair will never break, because avocado is amazing. It penetrates into our hair very well and keep it moisturized. So that's why I'm going to use avocado for her, to mix her product for her, and she will use it, and she will come and testimonials for us that this girl, work. So now I got the braid the hair. Like I said before, I won't do mini braid. I don't know whether I'll finish am today, but I will try. So I can't braid the hair. As I braid them small, I can't twist the remaining one, because I don't want the time I want to lose, and the tip will come too tiny for me to lose. I don't want to lose any of my hair. I don't want to break any of my hair. So at the end of the hair, I can do the twisting to finish up the work. Okay, so let's continue. So guys, sit there here. I see they do almost finish one part of my hair. So you can see the hair is giving. The hair is giving now. I try. So guys, not almost done. I made these two. I can say, don't forget, say they do video. Oh my God, let me come back and show my amazing people. Say, I never forget to. I still there here. So I don't almost finish this one. I leave the hair. I go pick my children for school. As I come back, I can't do one or two. After I don't finish, now I can say, I never really finish my hair, or I can't start to do it again. Like around that kind 7 in the evening, I can't continue again to do the hair. That is one thing, no, it's not easy. So now I can first of all add water to the hair. Now let you can remain. I say me I can't do one for camera. Me not see me say I dey do my hair by myself. Say I not do, say not be anybody help me. So I can add the hair grease like this. I don't use the leave-in conditioner, guys. If you want, you can use any leave-in conditioner of your choice. I just like using water and hair grease only on my hair. Okay. So if you want, you can use a leave-in, a moisturizer, anyone at all that you have, you can use it. If you don't still have it, say English. If you not get them, use only water and English. Water and English. I'm confused now. So if you not get leave-in conditioner, just use your water and hair grease. You are good to go. Your hair will be so moisturized, so nourished, so growing, unstoppable hair growth, like stronger and thinner hair all year round. Okay, so you know say I not the too much dey use leave-in conditioner, so I not just dey stress myself. No be say I not get leave-in conditioner, I get, but e no dey quick me to come dey do one step, do second step. I just carry my water igbo, carry my hair igbi, I don finish, that one don go. So since my hair is loving it, so no need to stress. Don't stress me not, I can't. So now in the other one, see this, see my scalp is shiny. Oh Jesus. The product when I use take wash my hair now, Garnier. You guys know I love Garnier. My favorite product for shampoo and conditioner. I love them so much, guys. They are my favorite. So they are so moisturizing, so conditioning, so nourishing, so fluorescent. So now I can do the last one just like this. So my hair is just fine the way it is now. So I'll keep this one for a month, guys, but I'll be moisturizing it, adding product to my hair and my scalp so that my hair or my scalp will not dry. So but I'll carry this dye for a month, just straight 1 month. So now see my hair now. If you say my hair not grow, I don't know what you are doing. I don't know what you are looking for. I don't know what they find for growth. So if this one not grow, what you want color? So now I don't finish my hair using my humble hair grease. Using my humble hair grease from Blue Magic. I love Blue Magic hair grease, guys. I love Blue Magic. So see the length now. The length is lengthy and the hair is so beautiful. Oh my God. See my hair now. See how they shine now. Guys, you guys should go and try out this combo. It's so amazing. Like, I don't want to just talk too much. Just go and try it for yourself. If you not feel get time, they do this thing by yourself, oil by yourself, just go and buy avocado oil. Bye.